Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how to apply eyeliner in different types. So without further any ado, let's get started. And guys, I'm using this Lakme liner and this is my one of favorite liner क्योंकि ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा matte finish देता है आपके eyes को. So I love this liner. First I will shake my eyeliner. Okay, so guys, this is the simple line. If you love to apply only single line, then this one is amazing and it will complement your looks too. Okay, so guys, from this I will make a wing liner. So let's see. So guys, this is the wing liner and it looks very good. So guys, this is the basic wing liner जो कि मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया. You can also add one more wing with this. It is also looks so good. This is the double wing liner. So guys, this one is my almost favorite type of liner. So now I'm gonna show you this. Just need to do one wing here. Like this. And just fill this space. So yes, and it is done. Yes, it is done. And make one. And make one single line. This one is my favorite type of liner. It gives a catty eyes. I mean, आपकी eyes ऐसे sharp दिखने लगती है. So I love this liner. So guys, now I will move towards my next type of liner. So let's see कैसा होता है. There is a lot of people who love to apply very broad liner. So now I'm going to show you that how you can apply the broad liner. So let's start. I will start from this side. You always have to start your liner from this side. So I will just simply make one line first. कर सकते हो। सो दिस इज़ द ब्रॉड वन। अगर आपको इससे भी ज़्यादा ब्रॉड चाहिए होगा तो आप वन मोर लाइन ऐड कर सकते हो फ्रॉम द आउटर साइड। सो यस, so guys, now I'm going to apply a bold kind of liner. So yeah. So this one is the bold black. So guys, ये थी मेरी सिंपल आइडियाज टू अप्लाई लाइनर। आई होप ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा and I hope you will get something to learn from this video. So if you think this video is good guys, then please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.